Hi and welcome to Track 62. Today I will talk about sim racing. Sim racing is a very good and nice way of training in the winter season. Now when it's winter here in Sweden, I really like to take a couple of laps in my sim rig. I bought this rig, it was not so expensive. It is a nice race share. I bought the Mosa racing steering wheel with all the connectors and the buttons that you need for racing, and pedals as well, so you can gear manually. Mosa racing foot pedal set for throttle and brake. You can also choose clutch if you want to drive manually. There is also a gear lever that you can buy if you want that. For me, I want to keep it simple, like I drive a PDK car. I have a normal, a little bit wider screen, a normal desk that is adjustable, and of course a gaming computer with a GeForce NVIDIA graphic card, a lot of memory and a good processor. So I can get most out of the graphics, etc. When I'm driving on the track. The game that I use is a game called Race Room. There is a lot of other games or simulators that you can use, Forza, iRacing, etc. But I like the Race Room. It's very nice. The tracks are really nice and beautiful. The graphics are great. You can do a lot of configuration on your cars, etc. You can do a single event. You can go to championship. I know Porsche Club Sweden, they use Race Room for competition in sim racing events, etc. And you can go on practice, so you can just practice by your own, and you have RA generated cars that you can compete with, etc. The main reason that I bought this sim rig is to actually learn the tracks. So before I go to a new track, I try to find it in the configuration in the race room, and you can find all the tracks all over the world. For example, here you can choose a lot of tracks. A lot of Swedish tracks are here: Anderstorp, Falkenberg, Gelleråsen, Knutstorp, Mantorp, etc. Then you have the German tracks, Nordschleife, Nürburgring, and you can go everywhere to Indianapolis in US, Hockenheim, yeah, you name it. Salzburgring is a very nice track as well. So yeah, there's a lot of tracks to choose, and if there is not a track that you can find, you can always buy one in the application, etc. Today I will go to Ring Knutstorp. It's my local track close by. The track length is 2079 meters. I chose the car, the Cayman GT4. It's a really nice car on this narrow track. It's a quite short track and a lot of curves, etc. And it's going up and down a little bit as well. So this car is really nice for this track. I choose Go Race, and I prepare myself, of course, to practice on this track. And I press any key, and then I choose drive, and let's go out on the track. As you see, you have to be concentrated on what you are doing. Oops, I'm sorry for that. Sometimes it happens. And it's good that it happens here, not on the track day. But on the track days, we drive a little bit more controlled. In the sim rig, you can get a little bit too hot, and yeah, it doesn't cost you so much if you crash the car in the sim rig, but you should show respect to all the other cars. So now I have done one lap at Rinknostorp, and yeah, that's actually about it. So it's really nice to train in the sim rig in the wintertime, and depending how ambitious you are, you can really go into this and make really nice configurations to your car, etc., the tires, whatever. So it's a really, really good way of training, and I can really recommend it for anyone. So when it gets boring in the wintertime, go to your sim rig, put it in the corner somewhere in your house or in your garage, and enjoy. So this was all from me for now. I hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then we see you in the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.